Hello guys, welcome to part 3. This is my part 3 right now. Look at my garden. Today I'm Englishing right now because if I'm Filipino right now, I'm getting no viewers.
Hah? Ah. Okay.
Gawa akong parkour. Lang, tapos guys, yung nagbabeg sa akin, keep out naman. Hi, who is going to my garden? Please keep out. This is dangerous because I had my bodyguard. Look at this bodyguard. Little bit na, and it's stolen in that. Why are you? It's not my fault, bro. It's not my phone. It's not my phone. Gagi, ang ganda ng garden na to. Gagi. Guys, alam ko may hacker ngayon eh. May hacker ngayon. May bagong hacker na naman. Akala mo, hack ka pa. Alam mo, nakita na kita. Bakit may candy blossom? That's mean hacking. I'm the only one king in here. Joke lang. Si Kalbo ang ano dito. Alam niyo kung sino yung Kalbo? Alam ko. Si Creepy. Creepy Kalbo! Di na paldo! Gogi! Ayoko na, may mamaya mag-stone sa akin eh. Ayoko na. Kapag nakita niyo sa garden niyo, pabayaan niyo lang. Kasi, kukuha ng candy blossom. Kapag hindi niyo siya binigyan ng candy blossom. Ay! Ay, unti ng pera ko ng best friend. Oh, defero! Defero! Dami naman nagbibig sa akin. Bili naman yung pera ko dito. Patingin ngayon ang ba yung stock ko. I forgot to buy sprinkler. I forgot. Oh, I have 15 harvest. I'm tired now. I want to harvest this. Now, this one too. Ang bilis. Try ko to sa pepper. Aga, aga. Alam niyo guys, nainis na ako dito sa mango tree eh. Nasaan yung ano na ito? Yung dragon fruit yun eh.
Explore a vast catalog of millions of songs without hearing ads, and download your playlist to listen to them anywhere. You can also play your favorite songs in any order, with freedom to
Tagal.
forward and backward as much as you like. Your audio, your control. Tap the data to learn more.
Oo. Baka sabihin mo, fake na naman tong video ah. Naku, matatanong ko lang. Yung net. Tutuloy pa ata ito paglaki. Ito! Gotcha! It's now done. This is part 3 na. Bro, Grox, you don't have to flex anymore. Cause, this is what happened to you, Grox. I don't have to tell you. I have a secret friend. Alam niyo kung bakit paano ko yun nakuha? Type yung critical bow method. Tuturuan ko kayo paano gawin yung critical bow method. Search nyo lang dito /critical bow block beanstalk. Kahit anong fruit na gusto nyo. Kasi, nandito yung sa list ko. Ay, sa list pala. Ito. Dito. Click mo lang. Ito. Stocks. Ay, stocks. Okay dyan kasi hindi ko pa na-verify yung account ko dito. Stocks. Yan lang. Wala na emoji. Magandang ko talaga. Ano ko talaga? Nga lang, meron ba bang? Tignan ko kung meron bang minsto. Gagit. Ah? Hala, kasalanan mo to. Bakit mo kinain lahat ng ano ko? Garden. Puta! Papakainin ko sa iyo. Ko, talaga. Isa pa talaga. Wanna goober. Please? Okay. Sing the beat. What a date, bro. Baby, I miss you. I miss you and your whole family is my girlfriend now. Gabi? Sabi na nga eh. Mas malaki pa. Baka sabihin nyo, lalaki pa to. Abot na to hagdan langit kung gusto ko. Gabi. Maganda dito mag-spawn kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Maganda mag-spawn dito eh. Kasi tignan mo yung tatlo na yan. Di ba may gata, wala silang pindutan. Boom. Tatlo. What if I do that? It's easy now, boy. I don't like favorite tool anymore. Not gonna say anything. Ikaw kanina di ba kumain ng garden ko? Ano sabi mo? Sana mapalo niya naman. Siya kananik pogi sa TikTok at sa YouTube. May papost kasi siya sa YouTube. Yun! Oh. This eagle I beg for. Hindi ko siya kilala eh. Nasaan na yun? Ay,
Let your music taste shine with premium. Host a jam with your friends and share
Bro,
your favorite songs with the entire squad without ad breaks.
Bro,
You
not
can also
this
play your
timer
favorite
again.
albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
Magkano kaya? Magkano tapos sa'yo na akong babay? Hanggang 4. Bye-bye. Wait. I emote. Datanin to.